Okay, so Radiomaster has a handful of new ELRS products for pretty much any radio. The new Ranger lineup of modules is pretty awesome. Plus, hey, who doesn't love diversity ELRS receivers? Stay tuned, let's talk about it. All right, so let's start with this guy. This is the Ranger, Radiomaster's top of the line ELRS module. And you can see just kind of the really nice, beautiful aluminum CNC design. That's gonna help act as a heat sink. Plus we've got a really solid fan here in the middle, an LCD screen so you can see what's going on, plus a joystick here with a button there to select things. We have two programmable buttons on the side. It lights up all nice and fancy like if that's something you're into. On the bottom here, you can see we've got an XT30 connector as well as a USB-C. Plus something in the middle here, I believe that is to connect to a Futaba radio. So Radiomaster wanted this to be available for pretty much any radio, and they've kind of delivered there. If I have something like a TX16 and with a standard JR bay, I can go ahead and add this little deal to the back. It'll snap right into the back of a radio, much like this one. But if I have a smaller radio with one of those nano connectors, Radiomaster's got me covered there as well. So if I had to, add it to my Zorro, I could do that. Yeah, this is a really nice little module. This guy's got Wi-Fi, it has Bluetooth, it even has a built-in accelerometer. Now, I'm not sure what I'm gonna use that for, so if you have an idea, leave me a comment down below. It starts at $100, so this thing isn't cheap. It's also pretty large, so if you're looking for something smaller or a little bit more compact for your radio, we've got a couple of other options. This here is the Ranger Micro. You can see we've got an XT30 as well as a USB-C. So if we want to power it not using my radio's battery, we have those options. You can see this one comes with the T-style antenna, whereas the big Ranger comes with both the Moxon antenna as well as a T-style, so you can kind of decide there. Now the Micro here is going to cost me about $40 versus $100, so you got to keep that in mind. Plus it's a little more sleek and compact, fits in the radio a little bit cleaner. So if that's something that's important to you, keep that in mind. I still have 1 watt of output power, plus I have that 1000 hertz packet rate as well. No LCD screen. I do have a nice little fan there, so you got to kind of weigh your options. If you're flying with a smaller radio, you have the nano option. Here you can see pretty much the same as the Micro option, 1 watt of power, T-style antenna. We've got our connector options in the back, and we have that 1000 hertz packet rate. Both of these are also Wi-Fi and Bluetooth compatible, so there is that. Now I love flying ELRS. You get great range, great signal fidelity, and that's been flying with pretty much small, tiny little receivers with one antenna. And now Radiomaster is giving you the option for this diversity receiver, so that's really cool. Once you set up ELRS, it's pretty much the easiest and most reliable protocol there is, and it's definitely something I would look into if you haven't already. Now these modules are nice because they pretty much will work with any radio you got, so find the module that's best for you. Now, if you're looking for one of these modules or maybe this receiver, go ahead and check the video description. I've got links down below. And if there are coupon codes or discounts or anything like that, I'll leave them down there as well. They are affiliate links, so they help support the channel, whether you buy one of these or really anything down there. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. If not, leave a comment down below and tell me what I could do better. Good luck, everyone, and happy flying.